SlowStop, the only all-steel energy-absorbing guarding system offering the strongest flexible protection available. Protect buildings, assets, vehicles, and pedestrians from damage with the incredibly strong and surface-mounted SlowStop Bollard. SlowStop absorbs energy from impact, rebounding back to its original position. Since impacts are gradually softened, vehicle occupants are less likely to be injured and damage is reduced to both the vehicle and the bollard. Now you can stop replacing bollards and repairing damaged concrete. With SlowStop Bollards, facility maintenance and safety has never been easier. After a simple 15-minute installation, your SlowStop Bollard is instantly operational. No more waiting for concrete to cure or paint to dry. To learn more about the stopping power of SlowStop Bollards, visit us at slowstop.com.